everybody. So this week we're doing the space, outer space, and today we are going to talk about the sun, okay? And I have this book, it's called Space, and it has all kinds of facts and information about different things that are in outer space. And today we're reading a page about the sun. The sun, okay? The sun, a huge burning ball of hydrogen that we see rising and setting every day is billions of years old, but is still a hive of activity. On its surface are huge glowing sunspots and solar flares shooting off heat millions of miles into space, and underneath are golden rays that work their way from the core to reach us. Where did the sun come from? The sun is made mainly of hydrogen gas, which is the most common element in the universe. When the universe was much younger than it is today, the part of space where our solar system is now would have been full of hydrogen gas and dust. Over billions of years, this gas and dust would slowly have moved together due to gravity, and a large amount of hydrogen gas would be concentrated in the middle. As the sheer mass at the center became more concentrated, that means more and more brought together, at some point there were some reactions and it began to take place and the gas started to shine. It probably took place about 5 billion years ago. Wow. Let's see what else. How hot is our sun? The work of Arthur Eddington in 1930 and Hans Bethe in the 1950s came up with answers to this question. Most scientists agree that their theory is one that fits best. The outside edge of the sun is known as the corona, right here, okay, which gives off light and heat that eventually reaches us on Earth. Scientists estimate the temperature here to be around 1 million degrees. Wow, that is pretty hot. The sun is also the star of our solar system. The sun is a star. It's a really big star. The sun has sunspots. Okay, and see, it's pointing to right there to that big sun. Okay. A sunspot is darker the sunspot is a darker and cooler region on the sun's surface. So the spots are cooler. Okay, now I have a sun here. This is my sun model, okay? This is the sun, and it is the center of our universe, okay? The center. All of our planets go around the sun. Do you remember when we do our birthday walks? The Earth goes around the sun one time for every year. So if you are 3 years old, you've gone around the sun how many times? 3. If you are 4 years old, you've gone around the sun how many times? 4. If you are 5 years old, you've gone around the sun how many times? 5. If you are 6 years old, how many times have you gone around the sun? 6. If you are 100 years old, how many times have you gone around the sun? That's right, 100. Let's look at the layers of the sun. Okay. The layers right here is the photosphere layer on the outside. This is the convection zone and the radiation zone, and then in the middle it has the core. I'm trying to get that to focus. There we go. Okay. The sun. The sun does a lot of things for us, doesn't it? What does it do? Here on Earth, the sun helps our plants grow. It helps keep us warm during the day. And some areas it's really hot, isn't it? The sun helps our planet, and it helps our way of life. Without the sun, we would have really cold days, and our plants would not grow because they need the sun. And we probably would be sad. So the sun is very important to us. All right, I hope you have a great day. Bye.